Samsung is getting ready to unveil the Galaxy S26 series next month, and at this point, it feels like we already know half the phone before it even exists. Specs have leaked, designs have leaked, features have leaked. And one thing we were pretty confident about was that there wouldn't be a dedicated camera button this year. Or at least, that's what we thought. Because something interesting just popped up that changes the story a bit. According to new information spotted by Android Authority, Samsung actually experimented with adding a brand new camera button to the Galaxy S26. And not just any button, we're talking about a swipe-enabled camera control button. This came from a former employee at a Samsung supplier who casually mentioned on LinkedIn that they worked on a new camera button with swipe gesture functionality specifically for the Galaxy S26. That description should sound very familiar. Because yes, it's basically the same idea as Apple's camera control button. Instead of a traditional clicky key, this would have been a capacitive button with haptic feedback, letting you swipe to zoom, tweak settings, and control the camera without touching the screen. Now, Samsung copying Apple here wouldn't exactly be shocking. Android brands like Oppo and Vivo have already done this with phones like the Find X8, Find X9, and the Vivo X200 Ultra. So Samsung joining the party would have made total sense. What makes this even more interesting is that Samsung hasn't really used a dedicated camera button in years. The last time they seriously tried it was way back in 2014 with the Galaxy K Zoom, which was basically a point-and-shoot camera that just happened to make phone calls. Since then, Samsung has completely abandoned the idea. Until now, apparently. But here's the twist. None of the Galaxy S26 renders show a camera button. Major leakers haven't mentioned it, and every sign points to Samsung pulling the plug on this feature before launch. So it looks like the company explored it, paid a supplier to develop it, and then quietly decided, yeah, maybe not. Why? Could be cost. Could be space. Could be Samsung thinking people wouldn't actually use it. Or maybe they just didn't want another Samsung-copied Apple headline dominating launch day. Still, it raises a really good question. Would a camera button actually be useful on the Galaxy S26? Or would it just be another gimmick that sounds cool in marketing but barely gets used after week 1? Personally, I can see the appeal, especially for one-handed shooting. But I can also see Samsung playing it safe this year. Now I'm curious what you think. Should Samsung bring back a dedicated camera button, or is it better left in the past? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And as always, if you enjoyed this breakdown, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.